Hello friends, tini kaisa katal job ni notification ka Staff Selection Commission bisingtei Head Constable Ministerial Delhi Police ni official notification khorka o notification nokrmani derongka 17 May 2022 no okrokha te online application starongka o 17 May ni semino starong paikha te o online application last derongka 16 June 2022 jarano tongnai te ira lajaknai computer basic exam lajaknai September maseno lajaknai hinsa te ira category wise vacancy jatango male ni bagai category wise khajatango open and ex serviceman UART and unreserved ni bagai iratango 217 te EWS ni bagai tango 50 te OBC ni bagai 123 HC tango 59 ST tango 54 te total tango iro 503 tango total te ex serviceman ni bagai UART ni bagai 24 EWS ni bagai 6 te OBC ni bagai 14 te HC ni bagai 6 te ST ni bagai 6 tongo te total tongnai 56 te total vacancy tongnai ro 559 tongo te female ni bagai tongnai ro unreserved general rok ni bagai 119 EWS ni bagai 28 OBC 67 HC 23 ST 30 jon tongnai te total tongnai 276 total post tongo fighting question tabok age limit nailai age limit tongo iro 18 years ni 25 years te iro ex realization jak tongo to friends omongkha category wise ex realization jak bai te naro ex realization painedi to friends obni location nainai essential qualification nangnai high secondary pass mane class 12 pass khlaija nangnai te iro speed in English typing tongna nangnai 30 word per minute by speed in Hindi typing tongna nangnai 25 word per minute the application fee jak tongo application fee ko 100 rupees te HC ST women candidates ni bagai fee nangya to friends omongka center of examination tongo chini tripura ni hingke exam center tongnai Agartala no tongnai oro jak tongo chini tripura rok ni bagai exam center tongnai Agartala no tongnai oro jak tongo selection process computer basic examination lajaknai 100 marks ni te time duration tongnai 90 minutes te computer basic examination ni bagai 100 ta question 100 mark ni tongnai negative marking tongnai 0.50 marks to friends computer basic exam ni bagai language tongnai Hindi and English only o examination ni bagai subject jak tongo general awareness 20 question 20 mark quantitative aptitude basic arithmetic skill tongnai question tongnai 20 marks te general intelligence 25 question 25 mark te English language basic knowledge 25 question 25 mark te computer fundamental tongnai MS Excel MS Word te communication internet www and web browser etc ni bisingtino question khlaijaknai oboni question tongnai 10 mark 10 question te total mark tongnai 100 mark 100 question tongnai physical endurance test nailai te male and female ni bagai rijak tongo age tongnai up to 30 years te male ni bagai 1600 meter race 7 minutes te long jump ke 12.5 feet te high jump ke 13 feet te above 30 years to 40 years ni bagai ke 1600 meter race 8 minutes te long jump ke 11.6 feet te high jump ke 3.3 feet te above 40 years ni bagai ke 1600 meter race 9 minutes te long jump ke 10.6 feet te high jump ke 3 feet nangnai te female ni bagai ke rijak tongo up to 30 years ni bagai 800 meter race 5 minutes long jump ke 9 feet te high jump ke 3 feet te above 30 years to 40 years ni bagai 1600 meter race 6 minutes te long jump ke 8 feet high jump ke 2.6 feet te above 40 years ni bagai ke 7 minutes 800 meter race long jump ke 7 feet te high jump ke 2.3 feet to friends omongkha je Delhi Police ni je official notification o notification ang video ni description dare nai te narok description habai na kaham ke porei naidi